Welcome to Adoption Reports in Team-GPT. I'm Maggie and I'm a product marketer at Team-GPT. Today I'll show you how you can track your team's AI adoption to successfully onboard your team in the platform. Getting teams to learn how to use AI effectively and daily can be challenging. Some dive right in while others need more support. That's why we built adoption reports, to give you visibility into how your team is using AI and where you can help and support them. As a workspace admin, you can access these reports from the left sidebar. I'm going to click on Reports to show you what's inside. This line graph tracks your monthly active users, showing how your team's AI usage changes over time. Next to it, you'll find the user breakdown by segment graph, which is particularly useful for tracking adoption progress. It shows how your team members are distributed across 4 usage levels: power users, creating more than 20 chats monthly; regular users, consistently using Team-GPT; beginner users, just starting the AI journey; and inactive users with no activity in the past month. This will help you see if people from your team are easily adopting Team-GPT or they need help. Next, let's look at the usage trends for the last 30 days. Here you can see 4 key elements. First one is active users, where you can see exactly how many team members sent at least one message this month. Adoption rate shows what percentage of your workspace members are using Team-GPT. Power users, that tracks how many team members created 20+ chats this month. And total chats, which is the number of active chats in your workspace this month. The percentages next to the numbers shows whether it increased or decreased from the previous period. These trends help you quickly spot if your adoption efforts are working. Below that, you will find message distribution statistics. Total messages is the combined count of all user and AI messages for the last month. Below, you can also see the percentage of count of all private and public messages. Now let's look at the project breakdown table. This shows all of your shared projects, when they were created, who owns them, how many active members does it have, and the number of chats inside. It is perfect for spotting the most successful projects in your workspace. Finally, we have the user activity details table. Here you can see exactly how each team member uses Team-GPT, their segment, power, regular, beginner, or inactive, how many chats they have created, messages sent, and pages created in the last 30 days. This helps you identify who might need additional training and who could become AI champion to help others. Use these reports to track your workspace's adoption journey, plan targeted training, and ensure your team members are getting most out of AI and Team-GPT. Thank you for watching and see you soon.